Hey everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. My name is Sue and I'm from OML Embroidery. And today we're going to do a tech talk with Sue and I'm going to show you what this little baby is. So in my quest to make my embroidery life easier, I realized that I should be ironing things and pressing things a little bit more, but oftentimes it's pretty hard. I don't have a whole lot of room in my studio corner here, with McDreamy taking up most of the space, and I don't often, or often, not often enough, I get the iron out. So I wanted kind of like a portable solution. This is the ironing pad right here, and this is a Cricut EZ Press. Now they come in different sizes, and this happens to be the smallest one. And my thinking was I could have enough room and put a hoop down and iron whatever I needed in the hoop. So when you're finishing it, it's perfect. And I thought, well, let's give this a try. It was on sale, so I mean, that's fantastic. And I've played around with it, and it's really good. I think you guys will be really surprised. Also, I'd like to point out that it is actually made to do HTV, so heat transfer vinyl. And this size is designated for onesies. So if you are using your cutter for fabric, you can also use it for a little bit of HTV. And when you're doing a onesie or a small shirt that you can't embroider or is very difficult to embroider, you can always put HTV on it if you have this thing. So it's kind of cool. This is what it looks like on the bottom, just nice and flat and shiny. And this is fantastic, so you don't have to worry about where you put it or what's near it. It just goes right in there and you're protected. So a couple things, obviously it doesn't have steam. HTV is not meant for steam, but I think you can get a good iron out of it anyways. The other thing is, it's really fast. It's really fast to heat up, and that's something I really like too. So let's turn it on, and you can see, maybe it's a little hard to see, there is a readout of the temperature. And the little red there tells you it's not quite hot enough yet, but we want to get it to about 200 or 300. I don't know how hot it's supposed to be. I'm going to move this so it doesn't accidentally get heated up, and we're going to test it on this, just a little bit wrinkled. Now this is something that I pre-cut for another video. So, but it kind of got wrinkled in the process. So I just want to, show you guys. Then after, we are going to do a fat quarter that everybody knows. When you get a fat quarter out, it's heavily done. Heavily creased, actually. And it's really hard to get it ironed out. And we're going to test this guy. So it's already up to 105. So I'm thinking that's really fast. I kind of like it. Downside maybe is the big cord. I think the cord should be over this way instead of, I have it under my desk. So I think I would change that because it's kind of in my way. So I think I would take it, there's a hole in my desk to put it down. So it's up to 150 already. That didn't take too long. And then we're just going to press. Now remember, it's a press, right? It's not an iron. Look at that. How good is that? I'm pretty happy with that, just for a quick press. So you can move it though. You don't have to. You know how I like to change stuff. So to me, that's super fast. I would be more inclined to do that. Let's have a go with our fat quarter and see how well it does on the fat quarter. So you can see these are deep-seated wrinkles, and it's usually kind of difficult. A lot of people spray stuff and do different things for it. I'm just going to try this and see what happens. I'm just using it as an iron. Yeah, I'm going to say that's pretty good. No starch, no spray, nothing. I think that works just as well, if not better, than an iron. Now, I really like the size of it as well. It's heavy enough to press down, and it's light enough to still be usable. And again, this is the smallest version of it. So really quickly, you can see I have fantastic results on it. And it's easy and it's fast, and I love the tray. I love the tray. So quickly, I think those are fantastic results. Fantastic results. Let's do through 2 layers and see how well it irons. So I was just thinking, you know, it would be pretty cool for in the hoop projects. The prep will be a lot easier. And I think in the hoop too, for doing crazy quilting, I think this will be really handy. So, yep, right through. So I take my heavily wrinkled, this is cute fabric by the way, heavily wrinkled fat quarter, and through 2 layers, it's nice and hot. So this is the hoop I use most often for McDreamy, and this is what got me thinking about it. Now this is my 8x8 hoop. I'm gonna have to move stuff over. This is my 8x8 hoop. And what I was thinking, while you have everything hooped and you're working on little pieces, was that I could just go like this and it'll cover the majority of the hoop. Obviously it's not going to work on a 5x7 or a 4x4, but I use more, you know, I use larger hoops for it. So that was my thinking, is that you could get a really good, flat, quick iron inside the hoop, or fabric prep, or anything like that, and I'm actually really pleased with the results of it. So you guys will see me using this. I'm going to have it off to the side, and I'll bring it in and use it whenever necessary, and I think it'll give it a finishing touch for any of the projects that I'm working on. So I'm going to have it handy, and I'm going to turn it off right now. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this review of the gadget. New gadgets, anything to help with embroidery and improve embroidery, I'm all up for. I think this is going to work fantastic. I think it's going to give my designs some fine-tuning, my embroidery work some fine-tuning, and I think it'll be awesome. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know that you want more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!